triathlon can become a pricey pursuit. But today, we're here to show that you can get started in the world of triathlon racing without breaking the bank. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to keep things budget-friendly, we've got you covered with essential gear that won't burn a hole in your wallet. Let's get right into it. Bike helmet. First and foremost, a bike helmet for safety is non-negotiable. Racing without one is an automatic disqualification, and it's a small investment for your well-being. When selecting a bike helmet, look for one with MIPS technology. MIPS stands for Multi-Directional Impact Protection System. This innovative feature allows the helmet to rotate slightly on impact, providing additional protection against rotational forces. It's a small yet crucial detail that enhances your safety on the road. You can find a MIPS helmet for under $35. Bike. You don't need a high-tech triathlon bike right away. Any bike you own will do. If you fall in love with the sport, you can always invest in a racing bike later. If you need a bike, you can find a cheap road bike for under $300. If you really want to stretch your dollar, buy a used bike. You can get great deals on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. If you opt to go that route, make sure you inspect the bike for damage or take it for a quick spin before buying. Bike water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial. Dehydration can lead to various issues, including fatigue and cramps. Always have a water bottle on your bike to keep you fueled on the course. You can find a water bottle for under $15 and a water bottle mount for under $10. Wetsuit. Are you swimming in cold water? Do you need extra buoyancy? Consider a wetsuit. It keeps you warm and provides buoyancy for improved swim speed. Plus, it can be a lifesaver for beginner swimmers in emergencies. Make sure to check out the manufacturer's sizing chart before purchasing. They're typically sized based on your height and weight. If you have broad shoulders, you may want to size up. You can get a new wetsuit for under $200. Wetsuit Lubricant. Don't forget the wetsuit lubricant. You don't want to experience the nasty rash that comes from swimming without it. A little prevention goes a long way. You can also use wetsuit lubricant for any areas that chafe when cycling. You can get wetsuit lubricant for under $10. Spare tire kit. No one wants to think about getting a flat on race day. Ride your bike enough and it'll happen eventually. It's crucial to be prepared with a spare tire kit and, more importantly, know how to use it. Practice fixing a flat tire before race day. If you're new to cycling and have a starter bike, the chances are that your tires have inner tubes as opposed to tubeless. You'll need to buy an inner tube that's compatible with your tires. Inner tubes come in many shapes and sizes. Check along the side of your tire to find the inner tube specifications. It'll say something like 700 by 25C. You can find a tire replacement kit for under $25 and inner tubes for under $15. Goggles. Choose a comfortable pair of swim goggles for better visibility in the water. It doesn't have to be fancy, just make sure they fit well. You can find goggles for under $10. Running shoes. Owning a reliable pair of running shoes is key. It's best to try on shoes in person before making a decision. Running shoe stores will provide services like gait analysis and foot arch measurement. These services can give you a good starting point for the types of shoes that fit your personal needs. Ultimately, the best shoes are ones that feel comfortable to you. Note: it is not recommended to buy used shoes. Running shoe midsoles begin to break down between 300 and 500 miles. Even if they look like they're in good shape, you would be opening yourself up to injury. You can find running shoes for under $60. Triathlon Suit. Wearing a good race suit with built-in padding for the bike leg is recommended for race day. It not only adds comfort, but also makes transitioning faster. Well-fitting suits also reduce drag on the bike, as flappy clothing can slow you down significantly. You can find a triathlon suit for under $60. Race belt. Don't overlook the convenience of a triathlon race belt. It allows you to easily attach your race number without the need for safety pins, preventing you from putting holes in your race kit. Plus, wearing the number on a belt ensures it won't uncomfortably press against you in the water during the swim leg, providing a more comfortable and streamlined experience. You won't put on the belt until after the swim leg. Some races require you to put your bib number on for the bike leg. Most races only require you to put it on for the run leg. You can find a race belt for under $10. Transition mat or towel. For a smoother transition, consider using a transition mat or a towel. It provides a clean and comfortable space for you to organize your gear between swim, bike, and run segments. It can also be used to dry your feet off after the swim leg. This is the most optional of all the gear previously discussed. Any towel you have at home is sufficient. The best types of mats or towels have distinct patterns or bright colors. The transition area is organized chaos. Being able to easily spot your equipment can help you save time. You can acquire a bright microfiber towel for under $15. The final total adds up to approximately $765, or even much cheaper if you already own some of this gear. You don't need to break the bank to enjoy triathlon racing. All of the gear discussed in this video are linked in the description below. Start with these budget-friendly essentials and build up your equipment as you fall deeper into the sport. Happy racing, and see you at the finish line.